Good morning, everyone. Today I am in Kaapsehoop, a little town, probably about 50 kilometers outside of Nelspruit, Mbombela, and it's a quaint little town. I will upload a bit of a video, a short video of just the town in the area where I stayed last night. This morning I'm doing the Lookout Tower, which is a short hike, probably about 3 km, and the area here is lovely with the sandstone rock formations that you see around. Some of the structures have got very interesting looking shapes. One looks like a spaceship, one looks like a dragon. So just imagine sitting here having a cup of coffee or making yourself a tea and just being quiet. The bird life is really prolific here. They had their first rains last night. We're now in spring, and so it was lovely with the rain falling, the dust settling. You can see the shapes of this, and it's dotted everywhere. It's a nice little town to stop over if you're en route to the Kruger National, to go in at a Malalan gate, or perhaps one of the gates close to Hazy View. So just a short video about the trail, and I guess I can expect a lot more rocks, and I'll do a short video of the lookout point as well. Anyway, I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.